Halite, more commonly known as rock salt, is one of the most familiar minerals on Earth. It's the same substance we sprinkle on our food, but it also forms vast underground deposits that hold stories millions of years old. Halite is made of sodium chloride, the same chemical formula as table salt. It forms when salty water from oceans or lakes evaporates, leaving behind thick beds of crystals. Over time, layers of sediment and rock cover these deposits, turning them into solid mineral ore. Geologists often find halite in evaporite basins, where ancient seas once existed. In places like the Great Salt Lake in Utah or beneath the North Sea, massive halite formations stretch for miles underground. What makes halite so special is not just its taste, but its importance. It's vital for preserving food, de-icing roads, and even balancing industrial chemical reactions. Halite mines can extend hundreds of meters deep, where miners extract huge translucent blocks that glitter under their lamps.